Hey there, we're Acadian Adventures, a cruising channel trying to begin our trip around the world for the past 3 years. We've hit a few roadblocks along the way, including a Cat 5 hurricane and now a global pandemic. But we don't give up. With borders closed and the boat finally ready to go, for this season we're doing the next best thing, cruising the US East Coast. So relax, grab a drink, and come along with us. Support videos you enjoy by clicking the like button, leaving a comment, and subscribing.
Thumbs up and subscribe.
Last time on Acadian, we enjoyed some time exploring the historic town of St. Michael's before hopping back across the Chesapeake Bay. This time, we docked the boat in Annapolis, check out what it has to offer, as well as the neighboring cities of DC and Baltimore. We also get to hang out with Tropical Storm Isaias and take an impromptu trip back to our hometown in Louisiana. It's a big tree.
Yeah, it's an old tree. It's 100 years old in 1889.
No, the seedling was planted in 1889.
Oh, okay.
So it's 100 years old in 1989.
I got you. But the college was 100 years old in 1889.
Yeah.
Yeah. Wow. So the college is like almost as old as the country. Okay, so Irish car bomb. So you take this shot, you drop it in the glass of Guinness, and then you down it. 1, 2, 3, whenever you're ready. Just sit there and just chug it. You got it. Yep. You're not gonna break it. Chug it. The whole thing. Go, 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 go. Bottoms up, woman. Almost there.
I didn't make it in time with the hurdle.
You did it? Okay. Alright, you video me. Ready? That's not done. Where we going, babe?
On our way to Washington?
So we're walking around, I don't even know what this is called. It's a lake that all the memorials in Washington, D.C. are around. And we just saw the Jefferson Memorial. And now we're headed to the Lincoln Memorial and World War II Memorial. I want to go see both of those. Well, I'm glad we get to see the memorials before Gilead takes over. So Holly and I are walking from the Lincoln Memorial over to the World War II Memorial, which is right over here, into this big lake. Man-made water. And then you can see the Washington Monument at the end. And then Capitol Hill right behind it.
Everything's so massive.
If you've never been to DC, the first time you come, you realize how big it is. It's like going to the Las Vegas Strip for the first time.
Oh, it's history.
Yeah, but with history, where you think you can just walk from one casino to the next. No. It's the same thing here. Everything is like so massive and just spaced way out.
It's a lot cooler than I thought it would be. So I'm not like a big history person, and I'm enjoying it. It's pretty cool.
Meteorologist Jen Carfagno. Hurricane Isaias making landfall overnight in North Carolina. It is now a tropical storm, still causing big problems as it moves up into the mid-Atlantic. And let's get you into the latest out there. The Hurricane Center put out their advisory at 5 o'clock this morning with it still 70 miles per hour. We are not expecting a lot of weakening out of this as it moves very rapidly up to the north and east, northeast at 28 miles per hour.
So it's August 4th in Annapolis. We got a tropical storm happening outside.
Oh no.
Ooh!
Wet, Holly. There's no Dodger.
Damn it. Yeah, so we took our Dodger off last night. I swear these things follow us.
They do.
So far it's not so bad. I don't think we've gotten the worst of it yet.
Yeah, we're getting the worst of it right now.
Oh. Well, supposedly it's like 70 mile per hour gusts. I don't think we're getting that.
No, it's maybe
30?
I'd say maybe 30.
30,
Yeah.
35, something
Maybe
like that.
30, yeah.
But we're tied up pretty good. We took the Dodger off. We storm tied the sail again.
Again.
Waiting out the storm. And then we'll spend the afternoon putting it all back together. Living the good life.
We gotta bring the rental car back.
We're not bringing the rental car back.
Yeah, let's go bring the rental car back.
Not right now.
The next day, we receive news from home and have to drive back to Louisiana. So we extend our rental car and marina slip to spend time with our family. A week later, we drive halfway across the country back to Annapolis. Holy crap, we're in this weather system. Traveling back to Annapolis. And I think we're like by a tornado. Alright, stop. Good job. You did it. You saved us.
Okay, so we are about to leave Annapolis. I have mixed feelings about this marina. Really close to the city, so that's cool. We can walk right off the boat and go explore, and lots of cool, fun things to do. But the things I don't like about it, It's a super, super tight marina. Like, we had to squeeze in here coming in, and I'm really nervous to back out. It's gonna be tough. It's tight. The other thing that's kind of sucked about this place, there's a restaurant, I don't know, 2 feet from the bow of our boat, and this is where we shower. Hello. So don't forget to close the shade, or everyone at the restaurant will see you naked. But other than that, it's pretty cool. Jared just went and dropped off our converter back to the marina because they let us borrow it. Then when he gets back, all we gotta do is untie the lines and go. I think we'll actually be able to sail today. It's about 15 knots of wind outside, so it might be a fun day. But first we have to get off this damn dock.